back to the You're welcome back to the continuation of the tutorial on paper 2-1 of ICT 0412, and this task 4. And now we're going to continue with this point. So you're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have consistent layout and formatting. So the first thing to do is we're going to open our PowerPoint. So it says create 8 slides, and we're going to open this. So go to file, go to open, then we'll browse. Then in our work area, we select all files. Since it is in form of RTF, they will now look for the name, which is play group. Then we'll click on it, we open, and here we have this. We confirm all the slides. There are 8 of them. So the first thing is, unless otherwise instructed, all these must be titled or bulleted list. So we're going to write our name and center number. It should be top right of the slide. So we'll go into view menu and go to slide master, scroll to the first menu. Then from there we can start editing our work. So for us to do that, we will also click insert, then select the kind of header footer we're going to fix in. Here we're asked to put in header, and it's located top right of the slide. So now we'll go and tick the footer, then we'll put in our name, center number, and candidate number. Then we're going to fix in slide number, because for the footer we're asked to fix in the slide number, which is aligned left. So we'll continue with our name and center number, which is top right. So at this point, we apply the header, we adjust it, then we'll position it on the top right of our slide. We'll adjust it so that it fits into that space. Then the next thing is the page number, which is aligned to the bottom left. So we'll arrange it at this point so that it will fit in. So we've done that. So at this point, we rename it. So the next thing is we'll close our slide master and check and confirm if each one of them is on the required slide and it is showing. So confirm every one of them. The next thing is locate the slide with title our staff, so that we can make the required changes as it is shown here. So we'll move to our slide with the title our staff. Our staff is on the 5th slide. Then we'll compare and contrast with this image that is given onto us here. What is showing here is after the first bullet, the second bullet is indented. So we highlight them, then we'll move to bullets, then we'll select the required bullet. Since it's not found here, we'll go to customize, then we'll select the required symbol, which looks like this. Then we'll click OK. Then it is indented, so we'll do that twice, which will make it look like this. And also it is italicized, that's italics. We select it, so we'll confirm that, and every other thing is okay. Then the font, so everything is fine here. Move to number 22. That's step 22. Delete all slides. These two slides are guiding principle. So go there, we delete it, and we'll delete this one too. Then step 23, we'll open this file, test scores. Then we'll create a vertical bar chart to compare achievement for only literacy and mathematics. So the next thing is to check and open our work. So it is open already. The next thing is to compare literacy and mathematics. So we'll select those two, and the label of the chart is this. So we've done this chart, then we insert it this way. Then the values will be there. You click on the plus icon, then we'll go data labels. Then this is showing the preschool and no preschool. So since we highlighted from the beginning, it's already there. So everything here looks good and fine. So move to the next step. The value axis should display from 0 to 56. So we'll click on that side, then we'll go under format. Format axis. We'll click on the text option, should give us the list. Then here we'll assign it from 0 to 56. We'll type in 56 at maximum. We'll adjust that to 0. Then for the unit, that's the second one, increment, it's already in the range from 2 to 10, which gives us the increment of 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. So we don't need to make that change. If not, it will be giving us some errors according to the software. So at this point, we copy the chart, click on this side, then copy it. Then we place the chart in the academic performance, the slide with the title academic performance. So we adjust and resize the text there, midpoint, then we paste it at this point. We now adjust it till it fits perfectly into the required space. So move to the next one. Make sure no words are split and all data labels are visible. So we'll confirm every one of that, which is fine. So the next step is to move to number 28. Which states that on the slide with the title long-term benefits, create an arrow with this shape that looks like this. So we'll start. The next thing is to move to long-term benefits slide and insert this arrow in the direction to the right. Then position in bottom right. So go to insert, then shapes, then select right arrow, move to the bottom right and create it. So it has a white fill. So adjust it to get white fill and the borders white, black, the outline, and it is 3.4 points. So bottom right, so adjust it. Then format the action so that when it's clicked, it opens the document with the file name lifelong.csv. So the next thing to do is to click on the arrow that's on the shape in the slide. Then we'll click on it. Then we'll right click, see hyperlink, click on it. Then it should go to our work area, then select the file lifelong. Then it is now hyperlinked to the file. Then enter the text lifelong gains inside the arrow. So move into our slide, then right click, edit text, then we'll type in the lifelong gains. Then we'll adjust it so that it will be on a straight line. The lifelong gains should be on a straight line. The text display in one line, so we adjust it. Then it fits so that it do not overlap, so it's not touching the border nor overlap. So we've done that. Take a screenshot to show the action, the action button links with the correct file, and place this in your evidence document and make this very visible. So next we'll right click on it, edit link. So take a screenshot of this. So at this point we take the screenshot and paste in our evidence document. Copy step 28 and paste in our evidence document. And after that we save our work. So the next step is to save the presentation. Then we'll click on this open link. I'll click OK, so it will now open the required work, which is the lifelong gains, which is this. We'll close it and continue our work. Then step 29, we have that save the presentation, then print presentation as handout in portrait orientation with 2 slides to the page. So we'll go here, go to our print. So we have it here, print all sides, then 2 slides. You have it now like this, each filling half of the page, and it is portrait. So the orientation is portrait here. So now we have this, it is complete. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure to subscribe to this channel for more videos.